How is your credit? Is it good? Is it bad? What are we thinking here? I know mine was not very good for a long time until Mark and I discovered that we could actually repair our own credit. So now we are founders of Noble Notary and Legal Document Preparers, also Noble Notary Signing Service. We are course creators of fingerprinting, credit repair, you name it, we are helping you guys out. So today we're focusing on DIY credit repair. Now we do offer a course, so we would love to help you out. We would love to have you as our student. You can take this information and you can repurpose it, you can repackage it, you can actually offer this service to other people as well. So it's a win-win situation here. Now today specifically, we're going to talk about the difference between Tradelines and Kikoff. Let's talk about Tradelines. Maybe you've heard of both of them and you have some questions. So I'll give just a brief overview of the good and the bad of both of them. Now Tradelines are a lot more expensive, okay? There are companies that you work with that you are piggybacking onto large sums of money. So we're talking about $100,000. You're getting that high credit. It's being pulled up by their good credit. So that's really, really awesome. And that happens very quickly. That's a bonus as well. Also, if your credit card is maxed out, their equity is low, okay? So if you are with a Tradeline here, your FICO score is gonna go up, okay? This is all positive stuff. The con is that it is expensive. So if you can't afford to jump on with a jump on with a Tradeline, then you're gonna wanna look at Kikoff. Kikoff is another version of it's a smaller end of it, okay? So you're looking at about $5 a month, which is cool. Now, fortunately, it's less money. Unfortunately, it is more of a slow process. So you're not building it as quickly as you would with a Tradeline. But both options are great. If you don't want to spend any money more than just our one-time fee for a course, then I would suggest learning to do it yourself. Get the DIY credit repair course and let us teach you how to do it. Practice on yourself. You can practice on your friends and family members and then start charging people to do it as well. It's a really awesome service that we offer, and for yourself as well. So that's it. Very quick and short video just to teach you guys the difference between the two. Whatever you can afford, whatever you can do to help yourself out. God bless.